Had Rick cut all the foam bits off. So what we're doing is since we got a gap here, I'm putting two pieces of foam in. Metal side out that way, metal side in this way, so that what's in here stays in, what's out there stays out. Basically just line it up and cut it down to the right size. Tuck it in, it's right up against the other one now. So, see that whole thing always like got a lot of weird shapes to come out and stuff, but it's not a big deal. So, I'm gonna leave it open. I'm just gonna go to here because we still have up here where we have to come into these to fill the overhangs. So I'll leave this open for now. We'll just get the overhangs filled up so they'll just. So that's what we'll do. Oh, my. What you did down there?
First, we have to recoat it with plywood, 3/4 inch, another layer of it. Before that, we got all the rot out, replaced it with good wood, brought it around the edge, cut it all back to the edge, beveled the edges so that the glass will wrap around the outside edge of it, tie it all together, and we still got coats of resin to put down and fiberglass. But that's the woodwork being it's done for me.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I was just wondering, I have all the old pieces I took out. I'm doing all the cutouts right now for the electrical, but I need to go ahead and wire everything in and then put covers on it. But these are the old ones. I mean, they're not great, you know what I mean? They're what they are, but I don't know if you guys want new ones or what, but let me know and we can get whatever you want to put in there, I can put it in there. I think a couple of DFIs in there with the little buttons too would be a good idea.
Perfect.
All right. Yep.